Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use WordPress.com for beginners. First, understand that WordPress.com is a hosted solution, making it super easy to start. You'll begin by selecting a plan that fits your goals, whether it's a free blog or a business site. Then, choose a memorable domain name, which is your website's address on the internet. This foundational step sets the stage for your online presence. Once your site is set up, it's time to create content. Head to your WordPress.com dashboard and find the intuitive block editor. Here, you can easily add text, images, and even videos to your posts or pages. Remember, posts are for dynamic blog entries, while pages are for static information like an About Us section. This flexible editor makes content creation straightforward and fun. Now, let's make your site visually appealing. WordPress.com offers hundreds of themes to instantly change your site's design. Dive into the customizer to personalize colors, fonts, and header images to match your brand. You can also organize your content with custom menus and widgets, guiding your visitors effortlessly. A well-designed site keeps your audience engaged and coming back for more. Finally, it's time to share your creation with the world. Before publishing, take a moment to review everything to ensure it looks perfect. Once live, promote your site across social media platforms to attract your first visitors. WordPress.com also provides built-in analytics, giving you insights into your audience and site performance. This helps you understand what works best and grow your online presence effectively.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.